Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming your phone supports home screen shortcuts and that your launcher allows custom links. This saves time later. Once done, open the app that will create the shortcut. Many apps, widgets, and third-party shortcut creators can do this. Make sure you know whether you want a direct app shortcut, a specific activity, or a web URL. Choosing upfront determines which tool you use. Prepare an icon or accept a default so you're ready when adding the shortcut. Now you create the shortcut. If the app offers an add to home or share to home feature, tap it and follow prompts. That's the fastest path. If you need to target a specific activity or intent, install a trusted shortcut maker app and select the exact activity. This gives more control. Once chosen, customize the name and icon so you recognize it quickly. Make sure to position the icon where you want it. You can always drag it later to tidy your layout. Complete the process by placing the shortcut on your desired home screen and testing it. Tap it to confirm it opens the intended screen. If it doesn't work, check launcher permissions and storage. Sometimes the system blocks new icons. Once done, you can long press to edit or remove the shortcut for refinement. If creation repeatedly fails, clear the app's cache or reinstall the helper app, and then try again. That often resolves permission or corrupted data issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.